Alright, hello guys. So hopefully you already watched the video about the virtual tour and all through Canvas, and so you know whenever you go to your page, you're going to be on your home screen, you're going to see the virtual classroom there, and then one of the first things you do after you do the daily attendance is you need to click on first 9 weeks to see your assignments for the week, right? So today should be Tuesday, and you should be looking at your Tuesday assignments, and you have on Tuesday you need to do the All About Me slide project. Alright, so whenever you open this, you will see your assignment here. What you're going to do is you're going to make a Google slide that is all about you, because some of you, I know most of my students, because I've had you in the previous years, but there's some of you that I haven't had, and the other teachers in science, they're getting a whole new set of kids that they've never met. So what we decided to do was do a little about me thing for like a fun, like easy, cool thing, and try to get to know each other in our classes before we start like learning stuff, So here is your assignment, and you have 10 things that you're going to do, okay? Make sure that you do all of these 10 things, because if you leave something out, you're going to get points deducted, all right? So I put mine down here. The other teachers, Ms. Herzog, she's got hers down there if you're in her class, and Ms. Hilton has hers down there. So these are examples, okay? We want you to kind of go all out, pick some backgrounds. Maybe it's a color, and that's fine, and maybe it's not a picture, but we want pictures on it, and we want some information about yourself, like things you like to do, things you don't like. If you have siblings, you got brothers or sisters, and fun family facts, maybe cool places that you've been, your favorite quote, just whatever you think that you want people to know about you. Share it here, okay? And know that these will be shared with your classmates, because we're going to do like a scavenger hunt thing with it on Friday. So be appropriate, don't get in trouble, put stuff that you don't mind other people seeing. All right, so once you've kind of looked at mine and got an idea, you are going to click on this link right here. When you click on this link, it's going to prompt you to make a copy of the Google slide, because I don't want everybody trying to work on the same Google slide, right? So you're going to make a copy. And when you make a copy, you see this slide, it has the requirements again, so there should be no reason that you do not have all 9 things. I was wrong, I said 10, but 9 things. The first thing I want you to do is over here up at the top, find my cursor up here on the this side, actually, where it says copy of All About Me slide instructions. I want you to take out the copy of, and I want you to put your name there, because when you turn it in, I need to know who you are, right? And so we're going to name that your name, All About Me slide. You can even take instructions off if you want. If you don't, doesn't matter. All right, so whenever we do this, we're probably going to be using a lot of Google Documents and slides and things like that, as you'll see with your interactive notebooks that we're going to be using and stuff. So step 1, what I always want you to do is go in there and change that to your name and then the assignment. So that way I know exactly who's turning it in and exactly what assignment it is. All right, step 2, what I want you to do is up here, this share button. Everybody find my cursor. It's over on the right side of the screen. That share, whenever I hover over it, you see it says private to only me. It's not going to work. Whenever you turn it in, I'm not going to be able to see it. It's going to say I need access. Access is denied. So what I want you to do is click that. And you're not going to get the link yet because you haven't done anything. So down here where it says get link, we'll come back here, but you're not getting the link yet because you haven't done anything, right? But where it says change to link to Sweeney ISD, I want you to click that and make sure that this Sweeney ISD is picked. So if you click this restricted, that would be only me. Sweeney ISD would be anyone with the my Sweeney ISD Google account. And then anyone with this link, you could also put that one if you want to send it, like email it to your mom or dad, or maybe you have an older sister or something and you want to send it to them. Anyone with this link, you can click that. All right, so make sure that you have at least that one clicked, because if you can't grade it, you can't get a grade, and that won't be good. Alright, so then you're going to do done. Now, just as a quick requirement, I know most of my 8th graders are going to know how to do this. Some of my 7th graders may not have that good of feeling on it. So what I'm doing here is I'm just clicking all that, clicking on it, clicking on the box, and then I'm hitting delete. Alright, so I'm removing all that. So whenever I was talking about backgrounds, if you want to do a picture up here where it says background, you can hit that and you can do choose image. And on that choose image, you can go to Google image search and then say mine was nature because I like the outdoors and camping a lot. So boom, here's some nature background. I really like the ocean and lakes, so let's use that one. And then so I clicked this one right here, and then you're just going to hit insert. And whenever you do that, you can hit done, right? And then boom, there's your background. Now, say that you do that and the pictures aren't looking right and you don't like it. Well, now I'm going to reset it because I don't want that one anymore. And I just want a color. So I'm going to pick this color, and I'm going to hit done, right? And then boom, there's my color background. To add a text box, you're just going to come over here to this T right here, drag and drop, and then let's joke. Y'all know those that have had me like my jokes. Okay, so you're going to text, right? And then maybe you don't want it to be black. Maybe you want it to be, let's see what'll work good on this. Orange, right? And maybe you want the box to be colored like mine was, right? So that would be right here, the fill color. Maybe I want the box black. Alright, so you can do that. Maybe I want a border on it, and I can do right here the border color. Everybody see my cursor? Border color. I want the border white, and I want it a little thicker, so I'm going to click these 3 lines right here and do 2. So it makes it a little thicker. If I want it a lot thicker, I do 8, you know, so you can play around with that. Then if you do pictures, you can do right here this picture box, or you can do insert and you can do image over here. Either way you do it, it's fine. And you can do upload from computer. So if you have pictures on your iPad or your computer, whatever device you're using, you can upload from the device, or you can search from web. Remember, we do want some pictures of you, because we may not know what you look like, right? But like on mine, I had a basketball because I coach. And so, oops, something went wrong. Of course, my internet there. So if you want a basketball, whatever you want, you just drag it and then drop it over there. So whenever you drop it over there, you can resize it, you can move it around, you can even rotate it. Alright, maybe you want it like that. So once you're done and you've done all your finagling and you've put your pictures on there and you've got all your 9 things that's included, before you submit it to us, make sure that you have all 9 things, okay? Because if you don't, you're going to miss points. Make sure that your share button has this little Sweeney ISD up here. All right, you're going to go up there and hit that share button again, because now you're ready to copy the link. You're going to copy the link. All right, then you are going to go back to your assignment here, and you will submit it, okay? You're submitting a website URL. That's the URL that you linked, all right? So submit that, and then you're done for the day. And that we're assigning that on Tuesday. It's due on Thursday, but if you can go ahead and get it done and be done with it on Tuesday, do it. You know, you're going to be getting a lot more assignments daily with this online learning that's different than last time. So if you can get it done, get it done. It didn't take me too terribly long. I had all my pictures on my computer, so it was kind of easy for me. But it shouldn't take you very long if you sit down and just get it done. And I would really like you to start trying to play around with the Google Slides on Tuesday, and that way, if you have any questions or you need my help, you can log into the Zoom hours on Wednesday or even Tuesday, if you wake up early enough and make it to those Zoom hours. Because I'll help you through it, and I can show you my screen, and I can kind of walk you through it, and I can show you whatever you need help with doing. All right. So just let me know if you have any questions, and good luck. I look forward to getting to know you all a little bit better.